In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make unlimited ads for any product. I mean the ad images and also the video ads all inside Claude. So the way this works is I'll add the Higgsfield MCP with Claude. And don't worry if that sounds technical because I'll show you everything step by step and it takes a minute only. And once that's done, I'll give Claude just a product image or maybe a URL, and from that it will start the generation. And honestly, the quality is really good, especially for the product stuff. So without wasting more time, let's get into it. So first of all, in here, as you can see, I'm on Claude Code, and our first task is we have to add the Higgsfield MCP with our Claude Code. And to do that, I'll simply go to these three lines, then I'll go with customize. And from here, I'll go to the connectors, and after that, I'll go with this plus, then I'll go with add custom connector. And here we have to give the name. In this case, we want to add the Higgsfield MCP, so that's why the name will be Higgsfield. And after that, we have to give the remote MCP server URL. And to get that, you simply have to come to this website, higgsfield.ai/MCP. And no worries, I had given the links in the description. So after coming to this website, you have to come to the MCP, and from here you have to select the Claude, and you have to simply copy this URL. And after that, you simply have to go back to the Claude as like this, and here I'll just paste the URL. And then I'll go with add. And now we have to connect the Higgsfield MCP with our Claude. And to do that, I'll simply go with connect. And now it will ask for the permission to connect with our Higgsfield account. And obviously make sure that you have the Higgsfield account, otherwise you can't connect with that. So in this case, I have already the Higgsfield account, and I'll go with only allow. So now you can see that we successfully added the Higgsfield with our Claude. And now it's showing us some permissions. And here I prefer you to go with always allow for all of the tools. So the first one is the interactive tools. In this case, I'll go with always allow, and also for this tool, I'll go with always allow, and also for this tool, I'll go with always allow. So the thing is, like in this case, I'm going with always allow every time so that it doesn't bother me just by asking permissions every time when I actually give some tasks. So let me check that if it can work or not. For that, let's just go with a new session as like this. And as I already told you, we can give a product link from anywhere. And also if I want, I can give the exact product image, and based on that it can do the work. So at first, let's try to make some static ads for a simple product, and for that I'll go with plus here, and then I'll go with add files or photos. And in this case, I want to go with this exact cold ring, and then I'll go with open. And here I'll simply say that make 10 static ads for this exact product by using the Higgsfield MCP. And after that, I'll choose the exact folder where this exact image is located. So for that, I'll go with the folder option, and I'll go with open folder. And in this case, this folder is containing this exact image. That's why I'll just go with select folder, and then I'll go with send. So basically in here, as you can see that I didn't set anything, only just said you only have to just use the Higgsfield MCP, and you have to make 10 static ads for this exact product. Basically, it will find out the prompt after analyzing the product in here. And in here, it asking me, do you want to allow this to use this MCP? I'll go with yes, allow once. So throughout the whole process, maybe it will ask some more permissions. You only have to go with allow, and that's all it is. And here, if you want, you can give more informations like what kind of ads you want. But in here, I want to make this thing very simple. That's why I only say that I need 10 static ads without giving more extra details. Like I need these specific static ads. The images are ready, and let me show you one after another. So here's the first one. Awesome. Here's the second one. And here's the third one. Also, you can notice that the ratio are changing. Basically in here, I didn't say that what will be the exact ratio. So that's why it's giving me different ratios based on the different styles. So that's the usage style. So that's why it choose a 9:16, which is a vertical ratio. And if I go with the fourth one, so that's a poster type. That's why it's 4:5. And fifth one is perfect for Instagram posts. So that's why you can see it's 1:1. And as like this, the sixth one is the same. And let me show you also the seventh one. Okay. And that's the eighth one. And that's like infographic based. Again, that's really cool. And there's a ninth one. And that's the last one. And if you're wondering that, what's the main reason behind this amazing static ads? Because in here, Higgsfield MCP only just generating the images by using the Nano Banana 2 model. But the Claude actually doing everything. It actually giving the prompt. And for the prompt inside the Claude, I did a simple setup. In here, I'm using the skill named as Nano Banana Ad skill. And by using that, it actually generated the prompts. And those prompts send it to the Higgsfield through the Higgsfield MCP, and then it generated the images. And again, by using that MCP, it downloaded the images and it's showing in here. So let me show you quickly the skill I'm using, and for that I'll go to these 3 lines again, and then I'll go to the customize, and then if I go to the skills section, and then here you can see there's the skill I'm using, which is the nano banana ads. And here I describe that what it really have to do basically. If I ask for any static ads for any product, and how it have to just generate the prompt, what kind of format it have to use, how the styles will be, kind of like this thing. You can see the detailed guidelines in here, and that's how it's kind of like generating the prompts. Through that perfect prompt, it's generating the images. So if you need this exact skill, you'll get that inside the Hello AI community. By the way guys, if you want to learn more about AI, then you can join my private school community, the Hello AI. Inside there you'll get access to all of my premium level lessons, and also you'll get ready-made templates for workflows. And not only this, we do live session call every week where you can join and ask me anything. They are live, and as a community member you'll get direct messaging support from me. So if you're really interested to explore different ways to make money through AI, then this community is only for you. So let's give it a try. The link will be in the description. See you inside. So if you came in the classroom section, and after that if you go in the skills section, and then if you go in the nano banana ad skill, you can find out the exact skill. So if you go in the resources, after that if you go to this get this skill, and then you can easily download that skill. And after the download, you simply have to come to Claude, and then you have to go to the customize section, and here you have to go to skills, and then if you go the plus, and after that if you go with create skill, and then if you go with upload a skill, and then simply you have to upload the skill that you downloaded from the community. And in this case the skill name is nano banana ads, and make sure that that's enabled. So what's gonna happen after every time if you just upload a product image, or like if you give a URL of any product, and then if you mention that you have to use the Higgsfield MCP to generate static ads. Like me, you want to generate like 10 ads, or maybe you want to generate like 100 static ads. And after that what's going to happen, it will use this exact skill to generate the perfect prompt for that exact product, and by using this prompt it will generate the images. And as like this, I'm also using the Higgsfield video ad skill for the video ad generation. So in that case, whenever I give a product image, and after that if I say that use the Higgsfield MCP to generate a video ad for this exact product, in that time Claude instantly use this exact skill to find out what kind of video ad would be perfect for that exact product. And then it just asks some basic questions like what will be the aspect ratio, what will be the durations, and after taking these answers, it makes the most perfect prompt for that exact video ad. And by using this prompt through the Higgsfield MCP, it generates the videos. And for the video generation, it uses the Seedance 2.0, which is the best model right now inside the Higgsfield to generate video ads. So let me show you quickly how this thing really also works. And for that, again, I'll go back to my previous session. So here, first of all, let me upload an image. And for that, I'll go with, as like the previous one, add files or photos. And then I'll go with this exact image. And then I simply have to give the command. So instead of giving the command, instead of giving the prompt like how will be the video, as I already told you, in here I'm using the Higgsfield video ad skill. For that I'll go with slash, then I'll type Higgsfield video ad. As you can see, it's in here. All I have to do, just select that, and then I'll go with send. Okay, that's all I have to do. As you can see, I selected in here. I don't have to mention that you have to use the Higgsfield MCP or kind of like this thing, because in here I already said inside the skill, whenever I trigger this exact skill, you have to specifically use the Higgsfield MCP to generate the video ads. So now you can see it's showing me, it trying to ask some questions from me. So the first question is, which ad format should I render for the fuel can? So let's go with a UGC type, and what will be the aspect ratio? In this case, let's go with 9:16, and that's ideal for vertical videos, as you know, which is ideal for reels and also for shorts. The third question is like, how long should be the clip? Let's go with a 8-second clip. And how many variations I want to go? Let's go with 2 variations. So it means that it will generate 2 videos. And for 2 videos, obviously it will go with like different prompts, and from those 2 videos, if I want, I can choose one of them. And again, let me save that. You can generate 4 videos at one time. So you can see it's saying it just got the answers, and it's showing me a concept. So based on the concept, it will generate the video. So if you like the concept, you can say that yes, go with that. And if you want to tweak a little bit, you can say, you know what, just change that thing. Instead of just doing that, you should do this thing. So let's assume that I like the concept, and in here I'll say that yes, please go with that. And in this meantime, if you're wondering also how you can get the skill Again, you can get this skill inside the Hello AI community. As you can see, just in here, if you go to the Higgsfield add skill, and again, as like the previous one, you have to go with get this skill, and then you have to download that. And after downloading, you simply have to go to your Claude, and then you have to upload that as a skill and make sure that that's enabled. And every time if you type there /Higgsfield video ad, this exact ad skill will be activated to generate any kind of video ads for any products. So the videos are ready, and let me show you the videos one after another. So this is the first one.
Bro, everyone keeps asking what I'm drinking. Okay, it's this. Organic, and it actually hits.
You can see that we didn't give any prompt, or we didn't mention that how will be the ad. It's kind of like finding out everything by itself. So the skill it's using. Yeah, big shout out to the Higgsfield MCP, because in this case, we don't have to go to the Higgsfield and then we have to just give the command from ourselves manually. It's kind of like doing everything automatically by itself. Okay, so let me show the next video.
Bro, everyone keeps asking what I'm drinking. Okay, it's this. Organic, and it actually hits.
In here, I requested for 8-second video, so that's why the videos feel a little bit quick, but the maximum you can go like 15 seconds and the minimum you can go 4 seconds if you want to use Seedance 2.0. And there's a limitation basically for these kind of models. You can understand that you can almost make unlimited images ads and also video ads. And obviously it will cost some money because Higgsfield is not free. If you go to higgsfield.ai/pricing, you can know more about how much it will cost you per every generation. For the videos, it depends on the duration and also the models. Overall, when you started to use this, you will get a proper idea. So yes, that's the whole thing I want to share with you. If you find this video helpful, make sure to give a like. And if you're new in this channel, don't forget to subscribe. And as like always, see you with a new video. Till then, peace.